Hi, my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee, and you're viewing The How To Lady, a channel that offers tips on organization, DIYs, and life hacks. And I'm so excited today because today we're going to show you how to organize your makeup. We're going to create a makeup carousel. So we're going to kind of do a little hack here. And so pay close attention and you'll see exactly how we do it. Hopefully you'll use it and it'll be beneficial to you. But while we're doing the video, take note that we're also going to show you a container that we hacked as well for $0, 0 pennies. And who doesn't want that? However, check out our video that talks about that makeup hack container. After you view this, if you haven't viewed that one, you view this one first and then go back and check it out, okay? If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them below. You see one thing that you like, please thumbs up and subscribe below. And as always, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hi, my YouTube friends. And yes, we are going to start organizing our makeup as promised. So today I am sitting in my master bathroom once again, and I am going to show you the items that you need in order to organize your makeup and get it in a place where you can have easy access and keep it in a place where it's not that difficult for you to grab it, go, and replace it. So are you all ready to start organizing some makeup? Well, let's get started. These are the things that you need. All right, so now the first step, we want to categorize the things that we want to store. So here I have some makeup brushes that I would like to store in a taller jar. I have some applicators here, and I think they are the same height as these things, so they'll be placed in the container that's most conducive to the height of those items. Then I have some taller eyeliner pencils, and I think that is a lip liner, as well as a makeup curling tool. A eyelash curling tool that I want to store in the same container. I put a little paper clip on the end so that way it'll hook onto the container in a good way. I have some liquid makeup that I want to store, as well as some cream makeup. I also have bronzers, eyeshadows, and some bronzing palettes and eyeshadows as well. So the containers that you need, you want to put those in order as well. So the first thing you'll need are these beads that are going to go into the pans that I'll be showing you momentarily. And then I have some jars that I think will work. I got all of these items from Dollar Tree. Some of the items I had around my home. This container came from Walmart, and I'll give you more information about it. You do not have to label these things, but I just did. All right, then the pans that we're using are cake pans. The description of the pan is here, so I hope you can see that. If you have any questions, please ask those questions below, and I'll be more than happy to answer. You'll need 2 of those pans, and so I think we have everything we need to start storing our makeup. So here we go. All right, so now that we've looked at the items that we need, we're going to start the assembly. So with the cake pans, as I stated earlier, I decorated the bottom pan. This will be the bottom pan, and I just kind of decorated it, just kind of give it a cute look, because it's going to be under my bathroom counter, so it's not going to be visible, but just for my sake, I wanted it to be cute. So you'll take this pan and you will place in it the marbles that I showed you earlier. These come in a pack. You can get them from Walmart. You can get them from Dollar Tree. They're very inexpensive. So you're going to put those in there. All right, we got that done. And then the next thing, you're going to place the other pie pan on top of this pan. And it's gonna act as a little carousel, so it will spin around. Yeah, you see where I'm going with this, right? All right, so I'm gonna sit this here. But then we're going to take the largest jar, and I got this jar, it's not even a jar, it's a plastic container, and I labeled it makeup. All right, so we're going to start with our largest eyeshadow palette. That's gonna go in there. And then I'm gonna come back with the next largest ones, and they are going to go in there as well. And then it will be followed by some of my liquid foundation, as well as some of my powder foundation, and another eyeshadow, another palette there. And then my liquid foundation goes inside. There we have it. And I'm gonna place this inside of the pan. So the next jar we're gonna fill is this one. And this one says brushes. Like I said, you don't have to have it labeled, but I do. So we're going to put these inside of this jar since they're pretty tall. And we're going to sit that inside of the pan. All right. And then the next one is this one. It says eyes. So I know that I'm going to put my taller eyebrow pencils in that one. And we're going to sit that in the pan as well. Then I have just a simple wine glass, you know, and I just found it around the house. And I'm going to sit that in the container as well. And inside of it, we are going to place my makeup applicators. So there we are with that. And because these are very short, these pencils and liners, we're going to stick that in this jar as well, because it's easier for me to reach it like that versus putting it down in this jar and having to reach like that. So nobody wants to do that. All right, I have another bronzer that I want to put in there, and another eyeshadow that I want to put in the larger container. Then I have the eyelash. Put that in there, works perfect. And I have a eyelash curler that I use from time to time. And I just put a little clip on the end of it. I don't know if you can see it. A little clip right on the end. And I'm gonna use it as a hook, and I'm gonna stick it right down inside of that jar with the taller eyeliner pencils and just clip it on the edge, and I can easily access. Now, I have one other thing that I'd like to put in this tray, and this is a instant makeup color remover. And if you see my YouTube video on this, then you understand what this is. But if you haven't, go check it out and you'll get an idea as to what it is. However, I'm going to stick this right down there, and it fits perfectly with the other items. So I have a little carousel going on here, so I can just go in and just pick out what I want. Even though it's stored under my cabinet, it works perfectly. So I'll give you a better view of it momentarily, but yay, me and my makeup carousel. Isn't that fun?